how to clean your Ryobi ONE Plus string trimmer. Now, first things first, let's remove the battery so everything remains safe. With the battery removed, all we need is a stiff brush, and I will leave a link to one of these stiff brushes in the description below. First things, just brush the top of the head here. This should get rid of all that excess grass. You can also wipe it down with a cloth if you wish. However, I don't always think this is necessary. Then we want to flip it over. Now, as you can see, this is just after one use. If you're like most people, me included, and you don't always clean it after every use, the grass will be a lot thicker and a lot more baked on. And a stiff yard brush, whilst it still will work, may take a lot longer. So you may need to get something like a wallpaper scraper and scrape off that caked on grass. Just be careful not to gouge into the plastic, as this will damage it and give the grass much more area to stick onto. So if you haven't cleaned it for a while, you may need to use a wallpaper scraper. Then move on to the stiff brush. All you need to do is brush it down. That stiff brush will get caked on grass off. As you can see, it's getting nice and clean. Once you're happy with everything and you've got all the grass that you need off, it should be all ready to store. Now, if you're storing it for the winter, you may want to add a bit of WD-40 into the mechanism here to keep it lubricated over the winter. However, after every use, that's not necessary. So once you get everything a good brush down, it's nice and clean to your liking, that should be ready to store. So hopefully that shows you how to clean your Ryobi ONE Plus string trimmer. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.